Salam children, how are you all? I'm so happy to see you back again after a long time. You all have done very well in your exams and I hope you have enjoyed your holidays also. So let's be back with our studies. So today is your EST period. Okay children? Now children, tell me, whenever you go outside, what do you see outside your house? You see many houses, many animals and many plants also, isn't it? You see different types of plants, different types of animals, different houses, isn't it? So children, today we are going to study chapter number 10, plants around us. Okay children, we are going to learn plants around us. In this chapter, we are going to learn different types of plants. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn different types of plants. Now children, we see many plants around us, isn't it? Whenever you go outside your house, you can see or you see different types of plants. Okay, some are very big and some are very small. So some are big and some are small plants. So there are different types of plants around us. Okay, there are different types of plants around us. So first, there are big plants. We are going to talk about big plants first, okay? So, trees. What are trees? Big and strong plants are called trees. Trees are very big. They are very tall. So, big and strong plants are called trees. What are trees? The plants which are very big and strong also. They are called trees. What are they called? They are called trees. Now, they have thick woody stems called trunks. What are trunks? The thick woody part of a plant or of a tree is called a trunk. Let me show you what is a trunk like. This is a tree, okay, and this part is called a trunk. This part is called a trunk. What is the spelling of trunk? T R U N K. Trunk. What is a trunk? The thickest part of the plant or a tree is called the trunk and it is woody. So it is called a trunk. They have thick woody stems called trunk. And you have seen which animal has a trunk? An elephant has a trunk. In the same way, a tree also has a trunk. Okay? It is very thick part of the tree and it gives support to the tree. Okay children? Because of this thick trunk, the plant becomes strong. The trees become strong also. Okay? And children, trees also live for many years. Okay? What are trees? Trees live for many years. Some trees live for 100 years also. Okay children? So, you know what is a trunk and what are trees. Now look at this picture. Which tree is this? You can see the fruits also in this tree. Which tree is this? It is a mango tree. Which tree is this? It is a mango tree. You all like mangoes, yes? So which tree is this? It is a mango tree. See how big it is? Isn't it big? It is big, okay? So it is a mango tree. Next, Which tree is this, children? Do you know which tree is this? It is a banyan tree. It is a banyan tree. See how strong and how thick its trunk is? Yes, can you see? Can you see? It has a strong trunk. Okay, so it is a strong tree and it is also very big. Okay, children, do you know that the banyan tree is our national tree? Do you know? Okay, so the banyan tree is our national tree. Okay, children. Now, children, in this here, can you see branches like structure? Can you see what are these? These are its roots. What are these? These are its roots. Basically, the roots are below the ground, but here in the banyan tree, the roots are above the ground. Okay? Now, which tree is this? You all must be knowing. Which tree is this, children? It is a banana tree. It is a banana tree. You all like bananas, right? Yes, so it is a banana tree. Okay? Now, children, which tree is this? You all know, I know. Which tree is this? It's a coconut tree. It's a coconut tree. You have learnt in your English also the chapter on the coconut tree. So which tree is this? It's a coconut tree. Okay, children. Now you know what are trees? What are trees? Big and strong plants are called trees. Okay, they have a thick and woody stem called trunk. Okay, and trees also live for many years. Okay, now you all know what are trees. Okay, very good. Now we are going to talk about shrubs. We are going to talk about shrubs. What are shrubs, children? Some plants are shorter than trees. They are not as big as trees. They are smaller than trees. They are called shrubs or bushes. The plants that are shorter than trees or smaller than trees, those plants are called shrubs or bushes. Okay, children? Now, we'll see a few examples. Look at this. Which plants are these? These are cotton plants. These are cotton plants. I have told you about cottons. We have learnt about cotton. You know what is cotton? Yes, so these are cotton plants. These are not trees. These are shrubs. What are these? These are shrubs. These plants are not as big as trees. These are smaller than trees. So these plants are shrubs, not trees. Okay? Now you have understood what are shrubs. Now see, this is also a cotton plant and you can see the cotton buds over there, right? Cotton balls you can see. Yes, so this is cotton. Okay? Now next, look at this. Which plant is this? It's so colorful. It has a colorful flowers. It has colorful flowers. Which plant is this? Yes, it is a rose plant. Which plant is this? It is a rose plant. See, so beautiful roses are there in this plant. Yes, children. So, rose plant is also a shrub. It is not a tree. Rose plant is a shrub. Okay, children. What are shrubs? Some plants are shorter than trees. They are called shrubs. Okay. The plants that are shorter than trees are called shrubs. Okay, I hope you have understood what are trees and what are shrubs. Okay, revise this chapter again. Okay children, whatever I have taught you, revise this again. Okay, take care. Saira.